How to fix error 8572 on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix error 8572 on Amazon. Well, let's understand what this indicates. Now, Amazon error 8572 typically indicates an issue with your product ID, that is UPC, EAN, etc. not matching the product you are trying to list, often because the ID is invalid, already used, or associated with a brand you are not authorized to sell. To fix it, you want to verify your product ID, gather necessary document, GS1 certificate or authorization letter, and contact the Amazon seller support. So the common causes will be invalid product ID already in use, unauthorized brand, new UPCs from GS1. So to fix, you want to verify your product ID, gather necessary information, contact Amazon seller support, and provide the documentation in order to fix the issue. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.